How to thank the bus driver on Fortnite on any device. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Fortnite tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to thank the bus driver on Fortnite on a PC, Xbox, PlayStation, Switch, and even your mobile phone. And if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a like, because that really helps me out. So thanking the bus driver in Fortnite has very little meaning, but it can be part of a weekly quest, so you can earn XP by doing it. So to get started with thanking the bus driver in Fortnite, the first thing you need to do is wait until the battle bus launches like this. Then if you're on a computer, simply hit B, and that'll thank the bus driver. If you're on an Xbox, PlayStation, or Switch, hit the down button on the D-pad, and that'll thank the bus driver. If you're on a mobile phone, in the top right, you'll see an emoji key. Select that, and that'll thank the bus driver. Once you thank the bus driver, you'll see that it says your name, thank the bus driver in the bottom left, confirming that you did it. All right, so that's how you thank the bus driver on Fortnite. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Fortnite tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.